Yo, what is up, guys? What's poppin'? Back with another video for you boys. So we got Octane VST. We're gonna run through some sounds, and definitely gonna make a beat. Just picked this up last night, and I was like, you know what? Why not, right? Like, why not? So, hey, let's go. I really like that. Pretty solid foundation for what's in mind now. Really, I'm running through these presets and kind of just seeing what sparks the inspiration. I hear that piano, and that's what really has me in the zone right now. Let's hear though. Mm. Ooh, why they gotta name it the Rona though, brother? Wow, I like that one. Let's see how that sounds. I like it. Sometimes when we do these melodies, I'll stack them for just to make this sound thicker. And you never know if you might have something that you adding something on it may. I mean, it sounds fine already. This is just I'm experimenting. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Hey. All right. I like that. I'm gonna extend everything. All right, so I'm gonna add some more sounds. Let's load up another Octane and see what we got. So this is where I have an idea of cutting out the low frequencies and just making it extra high. So what I'm going to do is cut the low out. I also want like a delay sound. I like that with the delay and the cymbal coming in. I'm going to copy the kick pattern, put it on Octane so we can see where the notes are at. We're going to lengthen them. Lightly. And because we know that this instrument is all in key, we can just automatically move it to D sharp, move it up, and we can play with it. Let's go. I want a double hit right there. pattern down somewhat. We'll drop it, see how it sounds. I like that. We'll turn it up a little bit. Let's. Oh no. Okay, that sounds fire. I like it a lot. I'm gonna go to 10. For some reason, I like to keep my claps and my everything. I would, if this was an 808 that I used in a sample, I would put it right under the kick at level 10. But since I'm using it at insert 10, but since I'm using it as a VST instrument, I'm just gonna keep it on 4. Oh. So this is not really no secret, but what we can do is I want to do like kind of like an echo of these. So what I'll do is I'll hold, I don't know what I'm holding right now. Hold up. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. I don't know the hotkey. There's a hotkey where you could just draw them all as a certain line. But either way, you could just do it yourself. So we'll see how it sounds now. I like that. You can make drag it out longer and it'll have the same effect. It'll sound different. But I really like that, so I'm gonna keep that. We'll add that in there. I wonder if there are any drums or anything in here. I don't think so. That's fine. And ladies and gentlemen, I purchased this for $10 right now. So at the time of this video, well, purchased it last night, so don't come at me crazy. But like I said, last night it was $10. I don't know today. Maybe it's 20, maybe it's 40, maybe it's 100. But either way, keep it rolling. Oh, look, I got the brass as the hit. And there was hits and stabs right here. That's crazy. Let's see. Yeah, I like a lot of those hits. I'll definitely be using those hits in different beats. That's pretty cool. And I haven't even gotten to the guitars, pads, percussion, anything like that. The string, you know what I mean? So for $10, I think this is a win-win for sure. Even if you only use 5 sounds out the whole thing, I mean, I'm about to use 5 right now, but I think it's definitely. And there's different layers. I'm thinking you can load up one of these sounds and just start messing with it yourself and adding the delays in the stereo and the, do some EQs, mess with the ADR, make up your own kind of sound. Looks like you do some cool stuff in here for just $10, so that's a pretty good deal. We're gonna move that up. Kind of do the little, the delay a little. Now I'm doing that because I just didn't load up the effect to do the ping pong delay. But as you saw earlier when I did it with the hit, you could do that too. So. I'm gonna mess with the hi-hats. We're gonna make sure that everything is randomized so we get a little variation in them. We did some of those. Let's have some more. So I added the hi-hats that way to do the little delay on them hidden. I put them in a different key, just a lower octave. And it sounds weird right now with the snares, but I'm gonna take the snares out. Those are just the snare. These will be like added like every transition or in from like a bridge or something like that. So we'll use that, and of course the vocal effect be used in the same way. Our riser, same thing. The gunshot. I mean, we can use that. You know, we can use that whenever. I think, guys. I think that's. I like it a lot, especially I can already hear it sequence, like it's gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and sequence it out for you guys and do the mixing like I said, and I'm gonna come back with it all lined out. We're gonna hear how it sounds now. Let's go. What's up, everybody? I'm back. I got it sequenced, so let's go ahead and drop it. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, so Octane, if you're picking it up for $10, I mean, if you're 20, 30, even 40, if you're looking for something to mess with, there's more than enough presets in here to get you started, to definitely go crazy, get crazy with different stuff. And you can I mean, it doesn't even have to be trap. It could be pop. It could be whatever you're into. But I definitely think it's a good purchase. Like I said, I got it for 10. I really enjoyed it. I didn't go through all the presets and stuff like that, but we heard what it was. If you guys are interested in seeing videos like that where I run through all the presets or stuff like that, I mean, just let me know. But as of right now, I think that is about it. I appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.